Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce you to the Autofix IM1. This device is designed for making car keys and more generally for coding anything related to immobilizers. In this demonstration we will show you how to extract a pin code as well as how to make a new key and a remote control. The device will be provided to you in a carrying case with all the necessary equipment included. A reader, two cards, the VCI, the tablet charger along with all of the various cables that go with it, as well as a direct connection test reader, or alternatively a test reader that you have desoldered, and the different cards needed to read the test directly. On the tablet you have different modes, so you mainly have the IMMO mode, which includes everything related to key programming and more, and then you also have a diagnostic mode. The diagnostic mode is a bit more simplified compared to more advanced tablets, but it will allow you to check and reset certain functions in the vehicles. There are also service functions available on it. You have the option to replace the ECU. You have updates available. And then you have different icons that will allow you to manage the tablet directly. So now we're going to show you how to extract a pin code. There you just saw the extraction of the pin code. So now what we're going to show you is the ability to make a new key as well as the central locking remote.